Today we are going to see a topic, success simplified. Success secret simplified very much. Success is very easy. You people, right, find difficult to accept this. Actually, achieving success is very, very easy. You need not suffer, you need not strain, you need not worry. Success, right? You are thinking difficult. I am telling you it is easy. It will come and fall on your feet. You need not go and search success. Okay? I will explain how. Success is very easy. It is simple. And if you understand this mechanism, you can easily accomplish it. See, try to understand. The sun rises in the east. That you will agree, all of you. The sun rises in the east. And no one will question that why it is rising in the east. I want to rise in the west and I am not at all happy it is rising in the east. If you keep on doing like this, right, you are flouting nature's law and you are going to suffer. So only people all over the world, they are either mad, bad or sad. Take all people in the world. They are either mad, bad or sad. Why? Because they are operating the laws of nature in a wrong way. So only the result comes as mad, bad or sad. If you understand the nature's law, it rises in the east. It rises in the east for the past billions of years. Similarly, it will also rise in the east in the next billions of years. Is it not? So instead of worrying with that, if you tune with the nature, you will be happy. You will not be bad, mad or sad. Am I right? Similarly, there is another law. What is that? As you sow, so you reap. The effect is because of the cause. So the reaping part, if you just see, you are not happy with what you are reaping. What you are reaping all along, you are reaping failure, you are reaping substandard life, you are reaping less money, you are reaping less happiness. You are not at all happy in what you are reaping in life. All of you, cutting across all cultures, religions, castes, countries, all of them are not happy. That means they are not happy about what they are reaping. Now comes the interesting part. What people do, no? They concentrate on the reaping zone and it is not as they want. So they keep on worrying, suffering, living in complete sorrow. They keep on living in sorrow continuously. What happens is this emotion of sorrow, it goes or pushed into the subconscious mind. Once it goes in subconscious mind, you have to see my subconscious mind DVD, right? There are 5 parts. Only then you will understand the mechanism. The subconscious, it goes subconscious. Subconscious will push the same sorrow in your life. What you give, subconscious will push on you. It will just push in your life. So you continuously, right from the college days, right? You keep on worrying that you are not getting the results. You keep on worrying that you are not happy because you are not getting whatever you want as an output. You are not getting success. You are not getting happiness. You are not getting money. So what happens, right? It just pushes in your life and completely the sorrow engulfs your life. The effect is not at all as per you want. So what you have to do? You have to concentrate on sowing zone or cause zone. For the effect to change, you have to concentrate on changing the cause. You have to change the cause that can give the effect of pleasure. You have to change the cause that gives the effect of abundance of money. You have to change the cause that can give the effect of happiness. Instead of doing that, people condition to live in the effect zone or reaping zone, which gives sorrow, and they keep on living like that, and sorrow comes from the subconscious mind and engulfs your life, and you keep on living a life of sorrowness. Not only you, our parents, our grandparents, everyone in the world. So succinctly I will explain the secret of success. Instead of concentrating on the reaping zone, if you shift your focus on sowing zone or the cause that produces the effect and continuously keep high quality sowing or do causes of high quality that can give great results. Just sow seeds that can give you richness. Just sow seeds that gives you happiness. Just sow the seeds that gives you extraordinary business success. or life success, if you keep on changing the sowing zone or the cause, the effects will change. It will transform tremendously. And then you will get all the things that you want. You can live very happily, successfully, peacefully, with great money, abundance, in abundance. Life problem solved. Very simple. So shift your focus from the effect to the cause. Then all the effects in your life, all the reaping zone will be in abundance. Abundance of peace, abundance of happiness, abundance of money, abundance of success, abundance of relationship. Life will be living heaven on earth. See you in the next video.